चलो.
Hello guys, so welcome to this video. Today we are unboxing this mini PC.
It's EQR6 beelink. चलो.
So I think this is one of those special types of boxes. Are you?
तो ये कैमरे से बाहर चला गया.
I know. So I set up. So if I just manage to do it,
So.
Okay, so now the cover is off. Now we can unleash this, and right off the bat, you get your mini PC. Then you get some instructions and a blank piece of paper. Then here's the power supply, and they actually give you HDMI cables. That's pretty neat. So let's take this plastic.
उल्टा नहीं करो, सीरियल नंबर नहीं दिखाते.
Serial number कोई इसके ऊपर नहीं. Oh hey. So I'm going to try taking it off. Yep, now it's taken off. And here it is, the power buttons over here, and we have two Ethernet slots and two HDMI, two USB, three USB, and then the power supply port. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.
So it's really lightweight, extremely lightweight. I was expecting more like bulkier, but it's not. It's really lightweight. There's a power button, USB-C. There's, I believe, is the audio jack, and then it seems like just a USB. It's definitely not USB 3. So in the back you have the power supply. I hope both of them work. I have had units, mini PC units that have been hit and miss. At least one of them worked, so if one worked, I didn't return those. Then another USB, I believe it's USB 2.0 or 2.1, whatever. There are two HDMI and then another couple of each USB, but definitely they don't look like to be USB 3. Now these are the fans for the heat. Out of the box it should have Windows 11 or 10 something, but let's see. So that was the unboxing video for beelink EQR6. I believe it's the AMD Ryzen 7 6600H.
Yep.
Alright. Oh, there was it. So that's really neat. Beelink logo on it.
And that's Windows 11, I think.
And I have it here, sitting here temporarily. This is something that I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna be keeping it here.
Windows 11.
Yes, it's Windows 11. Thank you for letting me know. You wanna set it up?
Yes.
चल कर फिर एक मिनट. Set up for personal use. I don't like Windows 11.
Me too.
नहीं तूने तो आंसुओं से रोके वो लिया था.
Yes, but I didn't know it would suck this bad.
चलो डाउनलोड हो रहा है, चल चले.